Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must start with power available. Plug the charger in and connect the watch if battery is unknown. Once charging for 10 to 15 minutes, find the power button. This may be a crown, a side button, or a dedicated long press zone. Press and hold for 3 to 5 seconds to trigger boot. You're doing this because modern smartwatches use low power states. Brief taps won't wake them. If nothing happens, make sure the charger LED shows charging and the cable sits firmly. Once you see the logo, give the device 30 to 90 seconds to complete its boot sequence. Forced interruptions can corrupt startup. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose language, region, and grant basic permissions so services run correctly. Meanwhile, open the companion app on your phone and enable Bluetooth. The app scans and lists nearby watches. Tap the device name to pair and accept any codes. This pairing step links notifications and health data, so take it now to finish setup smoothly. You'll finish by signing into your account and syncing settings. Choose which notifications and health metrics to enable so the watch behaves as you expect. If prompted, install firmware updates and keep the device on the charger until they finish because interrupts can brick the watch. If the watch remains unresponsive, restart it first. If that fails, try a different charger or cable. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. This wipes data but resolves persistent software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.